this nasty place. God, it stinks in here. Hello, police. Come out with your hands up. Hey, wait a minute. Hey, freeze. Oh. Oh, what the hell? Oh, hey, put me down.
Show him who's boss. Pick up that saw right now. Get a hold of him. Saw him up. Yeah. No, there's some victims. I'm gonna go out here and so is your brother, Bubba. But stay ready with that chainsaw.
Creepy house. Might want to stay close. Got it, brother.
I'm gonna go see if I can stab one of these junkies.
Hell, brother.
Ha, little squirmer.
Hey, you SOB. I'm gonna kick your ass. You're gonna die.
What's that noise outside? Oh, look what we got here.
Shit. Got him. Gotta go tell Bubba his
I'm
brother
sorry
Junior's
to
dead.
tell you, but Junior is dead. It is only me and you now, son. Let's kill these fuckers.
Come get some, chump. I ain't scared of you. Fuck your chainsaw. Pow. Oh. Fuck you.
I said when I said this motherfucker's gonna pay for killing my brothers. Any last words, old fuck?
Dead and you just don't know it.
Oh shit.
You done fucked with the wrong territory of the Texas rattlesnake. Give me a what? What? Stunner, bitch. Now where's my bear? What? Oh, what? Oh.
I ruled this place. This place is where all those evil entities will be coming. When the time is right, they will pay for their sin.